Konnichiwa.
What's up?
Konnichiwa.
Ikadatsimasu.
So, we're in this,
Country
yes,
called Land.
Land's Grill. We're waiting for our meal.
Yeah.
I'm drinking milk almond tea. Mike's drinking.
Water that I had to serve myself. And we're not allowed to bring the water jugs to the table.
What did the sign say again?
Please wait. I don't remember. It was like please help yourself to water.
No, that's not what it said.
Oh.
It said please pour yourself.
Please pour yourself.
And what are you drinking?
I am drinking Thai iced tea, I think. Milk with milk.
I don't know.
I totally forgot
It was
what
like
it
a
was.
really long title.
Yeah, it
but
was really long, but it's really good.
That's good.
So,
Yes. So, yes.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of hungry. What? I hope that you're looking at my stomach.
That was your stomach. Don't worry.
The ice doesn't taste very good.
My almond
you're supposed to
milk
stir.
tea. Yes. Yes. You're supposed to stir because the almonds will settle to the top. What Jeff said.
Yes.
And Jeff doesn't need to stir.
I don't need to stir, but I like to.
But he does anyway because he's a master drinker.
And then the rest of them have gotten their food.
Yeah, all the white.
Yes, all of them. Except for Halima.
That's racist.
Well, this is awkward.
Yeah. We can continue when we get the food.
Okay,
Part 2.
part 2. Okay.
Can we watch it?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh wait,
stop
wait.
recording.
You have to make a good ending.
What should we say? I did a good ending, the shield, and then you like turned it away.
Okay, then I'll just cut this off.